Aaron, confirm this for me. I know for the people looking to get into real estate, maybe getting your leasing license, or people looking to hire people for doing leasing, delegating leasing. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can do lease places legally in the state of Illinois, so long as you've signed up for the course and you complete the course within 6 months. So you can show stuff for a certain amount of time. I might be off on time frames, but correct me there.
No, you're absolutely right. I mean, it's actually even it's a little less stringent, right? There's not a ton of barriers to entry to getting into leasing specifically and becoming a leasing agent. You can do it as long as you are sponsored by a sponsoring broker. You can get a 120-day permit, and while you're taking the leasing class, you can lease apartments. So you can do that for 120 days. After that 120 days, you have to take a licensing course either during, you can do it in a classroom, you can do it virtual, you can do self-study, and then you get your leasing license and you can lease apartments anywhere in really the state of Illinois. You just can't sell. So the next level to become a broker, you have to get your broker's license, and that's significantly more training and licensure and education to be able to sell real estate as well. And then you can sell anything in Illinois from you can sell condos, you can sell homes, you can sell industrial. I mean, there's really no distinction between those things. So it is when it comes to the level of financial reward that you can make doing this job compared to the level of education, it is a little mismatched. I mean, you can get licensed relatively easily on both fronts pretty quickly. It really is up until becoming a managing broker. You have to have 2 years of being a broker now to be able to become a managing broker and run a brokerage.